SendGrid is a well-known email API platform designed for businesses and developers who need reliable email deliverability for transactional and marketing emails. Today, I'll take you through an honest review of my experience with SendGrid, covering its features, ease of use, and overall performance. When you first land on the SendGrid website, you're greeted with a modern, clean interface that immediately highlights its core functionalities: email API, transactional emails, marketing automation, and email analytics. If you're a developer, one of the first things you'll appreciate is the extensive API documentation, which provides clear guidance on how to integrate SendGrid with various applications. The platform supports multiple programming languages, making it highly adaptable for different tech stacks. Signing up is straightforward. You can start with a free plan, which allows you to send up to 100 emails per day, giving you a decent opportunity to test out the service before committing to a paid plan. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll notice that the user interface is well structured. The left-hand menu provides easy access to essential features, such as email templates, API keys, suppression lists, and analytics. One of SendGrid's biggest selling points is its powerful transactional email capabilities. Whether you're sending password resets, order confirmations, or account notifications, SendGrid ensures that your emails reach your users' inboxes efficiently. The SMTP relay and web API allow for seamless integration, making it an ideal choice for developers who need a reliable email sending solution. For marketers, SendGrid also offers email automation tools. You can create automated email workflows, segment your audience, and track performance using detailed analytics. The drag-and-drop email editor makes it easy to design visually appealing emails without requiring coding skills. The platform also provides A/B testing options, which can be useful for optimizing email campaigns. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about email deliverability, which is one of the most critical factors when choosing an email service provider. SendGrid offers various tools to improve inbox placement rates, including dedicated IPs, domain authentication, and email activity tracking. The platform supports SPF, DKIM, and MARC, which are essential for improving email security and reducing spam complaints. Additionally, SendGrid provides detailed analytics on email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. Pricing is another crucial aspect to consider. SendGrid operates on a flexible pricing model, offering both pay-as-you-go and subscription-based plans. The free tier is a good starting point, but if you're running a growing business, you'll likely need to upgrade to a higher plan for increased sending limits and advanced features. The Pro and Premier plans provide dedicated IP addresses, improved analytics, and priority support, making them more suitable for enterprises with high email volume needs. When it comes to integrations, SendGrid excels by providing seamless connectivity with popular platforms like WordPress, Zapier, Salesforce, and more. Developers can use SendGrid's SDKs for Python, Node.js, PHP, and other languages, making it easy to integrate with existing applications. The API is well documented, and the community support is active, which can be helpful for troubleshooting and implementation. While SendGrid is a powerful platform, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported challenges with customer support response times, especially on lower-tier plans. Additionally, for businesses that require advanced email marketing features beyond transactional emails, other platforms, like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, might offer more comprehensive solutions. Overall, SendGrid is a solid choice for developers and businesses that prioritize email deliverability and API flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable email sending solution with powerful analytics and automation tools, SendGrid is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on SaaS tools and email marketing platforms. Thanks for watching.